Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to fulfill orders on Shopify. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and log on to myshopify.com. Once you are in Shopify, tap on Orders on the left side. Over in Orders, you will now select a plan. But before that, let's open a new tab. In here, we're going to search for the following: fulfilling your own orders on Shopify. In here, there are steps, so let's read this one from help.shopify.com. I will be reading this so that when you are going to be doing it, you will be guided. And here are the steps. Step 1. From your Shopify admin, go to Orders, and then click to number 2. Click the order number of an unfulfilled order. Then option 3. If you're using multiple locations and if you want to change the location that you're fulfilling the order from, then click the name of the location on the fulfillment card and click Change Location. Select the location that you want to use and click Save. And then in step 4, if you're using Shopify shipping for stores based in the United States, Canada, or Australia to buy a shipping label for your order, then select Create Shipping Label. And then on step number 5, if you're using a carrier other than Shopify shipping, then click Mark as Fulfilled and enter the tracking number of your shipping provider. The tracking URL is shown in the customer shipping confirmation and shipping update emails. And then scroll down to number 6. If you want to send a notification email to the customer right away, then select Send Shipment Details to their customer now. And then on step 7, click Fulfill Items to mark the order as fulfilled. If you're using Shopify shipping, then select a shipping service and click Buy Shipping Label. And the order screen updates to display the order's fulfillment status. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.